isn't over yet, so there is still time to find out if blondes have more fun. I'm here to highlight 12 rooted summer blondes, starting with Paula Young's #1 summer blonde in my opinion, which is Vanilla Swirl. But there's 11 other rooted blonde shades that you might not be aware of, and so I want to show you those today. So if you're interested, well then come along, let's go. Welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I am super excited to do a showcase of 12 beautiful rooted summer blonde shades. I wanted to go ahead and get started with the favorite Paula Young color, in my opinion of course, and that's Vanilla Swirl. So I am showing the beautiful Heidi in Vanilla Swirl. She is just a beloved classic style that looks like you got a fresh blowout from the salon. Before I get into it, I want to remind you when you're shopping at Paula Young, please remember to add promo code BBH. Now that's going to give you 15% off your orders of $69 or more. Now, Paula Young does have a free shipping on $69 or more. BBH doesn't give you free shipping, but if you buy more than 2 wigs, it's gonna save you money in the long run by using my code BBH because it's gonna give you 15% off your total order. So I always encourage you, try the codes and use which one is the best, and hopefully BBH is gonna give you your best deal. The code for Vanilla Swirl is 24101HS6. 24 is gonna be your lightest blonde, 101 is your platinum, and HS6 is going to be your chocolate brown root. And then everything is just blended together so beautifully. I'm going to spin around so that you can see. I'll include her stock photo up here for you as well. You can really see the beige on the end there. Such a gorgeous classic style. One of my all-time favorites is Heidi. Vanilla Swirl is considered a rooted Euro shade, and it is now available in 10 wigs. I have shown Rowan in Vanilla Swirl. Rowan is just a cute mid-length style. It's the Whisper Light fibers and it's the cool cap construction. It's super cool for summer. I just love it. It's a great active wig if you like to be out and about, going to the beach, kayaking like I do, hiking in the park like I do with my daughter and my grandson. Such a beautiful, easy, shake and go, throw on and go style. I also have Molly in Vanilla Swirl. Molly is a newer style from the Rooted Euro collection, and she is so beautiful in Vanilla Swirl. It's kind of similar to Heidi in a way, but I feel like it's got more layers and it has full bangs on it. But such a beautiful long style. It's really great too for doing summer updos. Okay, we know Vanilla Swirl is a favorite, but there's also 11 other rooted blondes that I have that are similar to Vanilla Swirl in my opinion. Some are cooler, some are warmer. I'm keeping them all in the lighter blonde range, going for the summer blonde, California blonde vibe. So let's get started with the showcase. Then stop back here and I'll give you my final thoughts.
Let's look at Gia in Frosty Blonde. This is a new color. Code is 6088101 number 18. So you do have some fine gold blonde highlights running through. We have a lighter root on this one, and you have your platinum. So it is quite of an icy tone, I believe, compared to Vanilla Swirl. I love this longer shag style. It's super fun, just an easy throw on and go, shake and go type of style. Let's look at Louise in Sandstone. The color code is 1022-1001S8. That's going to be a blend of medium ash brown, light blonde, and platinum blend with medium golden brown roots. I think this is similar to Vanilla Swirl. It's a little bit warmer and it has a slightly lighter root. Let's look at the beautiful golden in the exclusive color Banana Frappe. Color code on this one is 142460, number 8. This is going to be similar to like your sun-kissed blonde, but then the number 60 is a white, so we do have some of the fine white running through, and we have a number 8 root, which is medium golden brown. One of my favorites is Hope. This color is Golden Meadow. That's R1488, number 8. Now remember, 1488 is golden wheat, and then we have a number 8 root. If this was the Rooted Euro collection, that color code falls into Swedish Blonde. But they can have the same color codes, but the blends of the tones can be different. They could have more of the 14 and less of the 88, for example. This is the beautiful Lennon in Buttercream. Color code on this one is 1682S8. This just feels like a bombshell blonde to me. It's a blend of honey blonde with pale blonde highlights and medium golden brown roots. And ladies, this style is beautiful right out of the box. I love it. Now this is the adorable Lily. This color is Honey Bun. That's code 166089, number 8. This is honey blonde blended with white and light golden blonde highlights and dark chocolate brown roots. It's a very warm golden color and I love it. This is one of Paula Young's newer styles. This is Colby in Wheat Rooted. This has a beautiful lace front. This is from their VersaFiber collection. The code is 1488, number 8. That's honey blonde, pale golden blonde, and medium golden blonde roots. I do find that the heat-friendly fibers tend to take the color a little bit darker and warmer. With this longer lob straight style, it really brings out the highlights and the dimension of this color. This is the beautiful new Meadow from the Rooted Euro collection. This is Swedish Blonde, the same color code as Colby was, Wheat Rooted, but this is Swedish Blonde and it's 1488, number 8. This is regular synthetic fibers, so you can tell the difference that it seems like the fibers themselves take the color differently. I think the heat-treated fibers tend to soak up the color, so that's why they appear darker. Sometimes they also appear warmer. I really love the tones and the shades in the Rooted Euro collection, and in my opinion, I think Paula Young needs to add those colors to every style. I think the majority of us are looking for more rooted shades. It just feels more natural overall. Let's look at the beautiful Andy in Almond Butter. The color code is 1024, number 10. That's pale platinum ash with medium brown roots. I feel like this falls into that champagne color range. It's really a beautiful transition to gray color as well. Such a beautiful neutral shade. Let's not forget the Shagadelic Tucker. It's on clearance right now, so you might want to hurry and nab her up. This is Bamboo Spice, color code 1422-1001S8. That's brownish blonde, light blonde blended with platinum tips and medium golden brown roots. And finally, let's look at the cutest little tousled bob. This is Lavender. This is in the color Iced Java, code 418613S8. That's going to be a blend with a dark brown, light ash brown, and golden blonde highlights. I think everyone needs a lavender in their life.
So let me know how you liked those Rooted blondes. And do you have a favorite blonde? Leave me a comment below and let me know. Now, a lot of these blondes are new and they may be only available in 1 or 2 styles. If a certain color really matters to you and you want to see it on more wigs, the best thing that you can do is to contact customer service via the Paula Young website. Email them. That's going to go directly to their corporate in Wisconsin. Tell them what you're looking for. Tell them what colors you want to see more of. You want to see it in more styles, because their success is dependent upon customer satisfaction. So it's truly important. Share your suggestions with them, and be sure to share your suggestions in written form. So emailing customer service, you can also send them a message through Messenger on either Facebook or Instagram as well. I would also truly appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up on this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that as well. The more interaction that we have on my videos, the more the chance that YouTube will push it out into the algorithm so that we can reach more women that need to build up their confidence with wigs and they don't know where to turn. So I just want to help as many women as I can. So I need your help to do that, and I would truly appreciate it. Leave me a comment, like, thumbs, you name it, all the goods. And of course, remember, when you're shopping at Paula Young, go ahead and add promo code BBH for 15% off your orders over $69. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.